Yeah, we have very quiet interior.
Yeah, much better than the old one.
So we are approaching the Autobahn.
With no speed limit.
With no speed limit, as usual here in Germany. So, and we can accelerate. Wow. 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 You have insanely. Yes, sure. Yeah. I hope the police is there. Ja, das ist. Sind die hinter uns?
Die sind hinter uns.
Ja?
Ja.
Oh shit. Nein, bitte nicht.
Linker, frühzeitig.
Ja, wir nehmen mal ein bisschen das Tempo raus. Okay, that's the only thing you can do on the German Autobahn here. Overtake, and the police is watching, but they are following us now. Insanely quiet here in the new Model Y. We're driving 190 now, and you can whisper in this car. It's insanely good. Handling wise, we can say it's a little bit how we say it, it's a little bit softer than the previous generation. And now the police is coming. They're coming after us. Oh no, it's not the police. Perfect. There's the police. Yeah. Insanely quiet here. And also the power is insane. .205, this is top speed of the new Model Y. Wir sind ja im Unbegrenzten hier, ne? We are still on the Autobahn, unrejected. Ja. Bitte nicht.
Ich weiß nicht, ob die das.
Digga, warum sollten wir uns so followen?
Ich glaube, die Lampen passen nicht.
Nee, passt nicht. Das ist ein Beamer. Ah. Ich hab wirklich gedacht, Alter, der fährt schon viel früher weg. Digga, der ist als nicht weggefahren. Ich so, oh.
Ich auch, Digga.
Oh, we're in 100 now. What we can say, the Autopilot is now activated pressing single one here click. The Autopilot is instantly activated. And what we can also say, you can't use the adaptive cruise control. Yeah, you can't use it anymore. Oh, now the Autopilot wants to change lanes, so we confirm this by pressing the blinker, and you see the Autopilot changes lanes on its own. Very interesting. Now we are back in our lane. Not so good. The Autopilot, it's fine. It's fine. Okay.
Übernehmen besser.
So, yeah, we are taking over here. The Autopilot is not aware of the situation here. Unfortunately, it's so quiet.
Yeah.
It's insane.
It's crazy quiet. Compared to the old one, it's 100 times better.
So we can do like 80 pull here.
No speed limit.
No speed limit and full floor. It's not a performance car, you must say. It's not a performance car, and we are already at 180. Insane. And top speed. Yeah, it's quite good. handling in curves at such high speeds feel a bit unstable, but compared to the new Model 3, no speed limit, but we are now in a construction zone.
Die wird gerade aufgebaut, die kotzt so ab. Ne?
Yeah, it's a new construction zone. They are building it here. So now we can go full floor to the floor again. Yeah, they're crazy fast. What can we say brake-wise? We have an electronic brake pedal here, so no direct connection to the brakes. It feels the same every time you press it. Yeah, which, as we drive Autobahn here, the brakes get hot and it should feel the same every time. But yeah, we have even brake distribution.
Always the same brake feeling.
No, you stay there, please. So again, we are driving 150 now, and it feels like the cars just want to go. Yeah, it's insane quiet.
Yeah. We have to mention this is a Model Y long range dual motor. No acceleration boost, nothing, just a normal dual motor.
Yeah, it's insane.
With a German LG battery pack. And not the great one from the US, that is Panasonic.
I drive a Model 3 Highland daily, and I must say, I think we're going on the brakes here a little bit and let this guy pass.
M440i.
Yeah, M440i. Yeah, it's German Autobahn things. You get past doing 120.
It's so quiet.
Yeah,
it's amazing.
Yeah, we can talk here, no problem.
We can talk normally. If I drive in my car, I have a Model 3 from 2022. And if I'm driving 205, we can't talk to each other.
Yes.
It's so noisy in there. They improved so much.
And now you can see I go from the accelerator and now I press the brake. You can see the regen is slightly higher because the brake pedal is electronic, and the first press of the brake pedal only uses the regen. It's not using the friction brakes. And I also think the regen got a bit slightly higher. So we're coming close to our Munich friend here.
Which is of course probably a 6 car or a BMW.
What's that? Employee.
Left turn signal, of course. Probably it's a BMW employee or a 6 rental car.
We can keep up. We can keep up with this family sedan.
But I think he's not on the full throttle.
No, he's not. So now we have everything on the German Autobahn. You can see truck overtaking a truck at
truck battle.
Truck battle
in Germany.
Yeah, you call it truck battle.
It's which one is 1 km faster than the other one.
And now we have here a truck sign that forbids the overtaking.
Just chilling Audi SQ8.
SQ8 also, very great car.
Looking to the left.
So now we can try. We can keep up.
Okay, that's crazy. Eh?
Yeah, but
yeah, we have to say this is a this is the Cabrio 440i,
Yeah.
which is much lighter than this car here, or than the Model Y. Right, that we can keep up with them.
We can't keep up.
I mean,
We can't pass, but yeah, we can
the
keep up.
VMAX is much lower than the BMW. I think the BMW has a VMAX of 230 or
250.
260, something like that.
250 to 60.
Maybe has the driver package or not.
On the brakes, a little bit harder on the brakes here. Feels great.